Okay guys, this is a Ashoka tunnel that we have been asked by a customer to install for him, and we have did some treatment. As you can see that the whole lightsaber is actually chrome plated, and you can see that we have actually used a 3D print for the blade plug, so it's evenly plated. So let's see the activation. Okay, as you can see, that's this crystal. It's actually a real crystal that we have actually drilled to put the LED light inside. So let's hear the activation of the.
Alright, we better get started.
So we'll put a new sound font. Green color. Okay, so everything is working well and is ready to be sent out. Thank you for watching.